In this video, I will show you how to integrate Zoho Analytics with Zoho Desk. First, log into your Zoho account. Next, go to the top right corner of your screen and click on the Settings button. Once you're in your settings board, scroll down to the Integration section and click on Zoho. In the Zoho Integrations board, you will see a list of available Zoho apps. From here, click on Zoho Analytics. To access this feature, you will need to have an active Zoho Analytics account. If you haven't signed up yet, click on the waffle icon at the top right corner of your screen and then select Sign Up Now. You will then be redirected to another tab where you can create or log into your Zoho Analytics account. Once logged in, your Zoho Desk and Zoho Analytics will be connected. And that's how to integrate Zoho Analytics with Zoho Desk.